Mm. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Mama Sandy. Good morning. Today is Wednesday. It's my day off. It looked like a beautiful day today, but we don't have anything planned. It's really pretty outside. Wow. Today we're gonna make banana nut bread and probably clean the house. How are you all doing? I'm not gonna bore you to death, so let's get on with it. Normally I like to eat that typical eggs, rice, and some sort of meat breakfast. But today, what I'm gonna do is I have a leftover banana. And you know, when you eat banana, sometimes you eat it so much that you get tired of it. So we're gonna make a banana nut bread. I'm not gonna waste your time, so let's go on with it. Yeah. Preheat the oven to bake and put it in like 300 degrees while I prepare the mixture for banana nut bread. We have banana. These are leftover bananas. So banana bread. This banana bread recipe is so easy that you don't need to be an expert baker or have a PhD in banana bread baking, making. It's really easy, trust me on this one. Now that the banana is fully mashed, well, just put this on the side. So we need to crack 2 eggs, and then you add 1/3 cup of brown sugar, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, half a teaspoon of baking soda, half a teaspoon of vanilla, a little bit of salt, cinnamon, half a teaspoon of instant coffee for a little kick, and then you mix it together. I'm having a hard time. 1 cup of cooking oil. I prefer vegetable oil. We'll put that coffee, sugar, egg mixture into the flour. Then you put the almost 1 cup of vegetable oil. While I'm mixing this mixture, how are you all doing? How is the first month of 2023 treating you all? Mine's still busy, not the same. I have no New Year's resolution. As I get older, I just go with the flow. I don't want to make life so serious and, you know, so tedious, and I just don't want to work harder. Okay, wait, now let me just mix it some more, and then I'll add in the banana. So this is the mixture look like. Let's add in some banana. I'll add in the banana. And then we just have to mix it together. I have a dilemma because I said earlier I'm gonna make banana walnut, but unfortunately I've been eating this stupid walnut for how many days that I only got a little bit left. So we're just gonna put it like a decoration on the top. I'll chop it and then put it on the top of the mixture. I have this type of pan, so what I would do first is I have to grease it with oil. Our banana bread's not gonna stick. Just put a little bit and then you can just grease it. Some people do put like wax paper or tin foil over it, but I find it really messy. I'm gonna eat it by myself anyway, so I'll just coat it with the oil, or you can use butter if you have. Now we're gonna put our mixture. We'll see. We'll put the walnut on the top. Put them in the oven now. The other one has no walnut, but that's okay. I think I'm gonna bake it for good 30 to 45 minutes and just wait. So we'll see. Ooh, it's done. It's more than done. Almost to the point. Oh, okay. There you go, guys. Muntik na masunog. Diyos ko Lord, it's burned. Sorry, I thought I was recording. So this is what it's looked like now. See that? Leftover banana turning to banana bread. Let's try it. Taste test. So this is the second time that I made banana bread homemade. So just FYI, I got the recipe from YouTube also. It's called Starbucks style banana bread with walnuts instead of, oh, pecan. Did I say walnuts? I'm so sorry, I said walnuts, but it's pecan. Mm. Mm. Try it. It's not that sweet, but it tastes like store-bought banana bread. I hope you guys will have a great day. Thank you so much. I'll talk to you later.